Go to muscleupdetailspray.com and pick you up some merch.
What up? Big Herc 916. Muscle up. Welcome to the car channel. Make sure you subscribe, share, like the channel. Over here it's nothing but cars. I'm out here at the Highline Auto Car Show, about to take a stroll through and take a look at some of these whips. And man, let's see what they're working with. Make sure you hit the like button. Got a Nissan GTR out here. Right-hand driver. Looks like he's got a little bit of modifications to it, but it's pretty stock. Got a bunch of Porsches. Got a Carrera pulling up here. Have one of those. I know how they drive. Oh, I've seen this Cobra here before. It's got that 7.3 motor up in it. Got that 7.3. That thing is beastly. Straight monster. Now this is the Cobra right here, man. It's got that Godzilla motor, major horsepower and torque, and just a pretty color scheme. Sick. Mustangs in the house. Got a Roush. It looks like a 60. Is it 60, 66? Got a Holly intake up in here. That's pretty clean. Flashbacks of Grandpa's cars. Oh, it's a 68. Badass. Got a nice offset on it too on the wheels. Got a Grand National, white Grand National over here. Oh, this is clean. Haven't seen this here before. Usually you see them in the black. But yeah, this is beastly right here. This was one of the cars that set it off for Buick in the whole American muscle car movement in the 80s. It's got the classic colors. I want to know, I think this looks like it's paint, but I don't know if it's factory though. I don't recall them coming out the factory white. Got the AMG GTS. This is a bad boy right here. One of the best handling cars on the market. Yeah, so this is one of my favorite cars right here, and I'm gonna interview this gentleman at some point to talk about his GTS. These are hand built. One person does the engine, and yeah, man, German engineering at its finest. We were just talking about these new Corvettes, and this one right here has a very cool color scheme on it, and it's a convertible, a roadster. So I'm getting into the groove of the Arizona car scene, and from what I've seen, the Highline Auto Show, which is held in Phoenix usually once a month, is one of the better shows. I mean, they have a great variety of different cars, great people, and you know, it's kind of cool how they have it set up on the street with the live work type environment. This Panos here was kind of cool, and then this 280 SL Mercedes was cool because you don't really see these cars that often. I like seeing cars that you don't typically see at other car shows. It makes it more interesting. You know, a lot of times you see a lot of the same supercars at all the shows, so I'm always trying to get different stuff. This Aston Martin was pretty sick. I can't remember which one it is. I want to say the 177, if I'm not mistaken, but I know it's a very rare Aston Martin, and it was popping. And so
as you walk down the street, they got cars parked in different areas. This particular area is where all the exotics are parked. You know, you got your Ferraris, you got your R8s, you got your McLarens, the Lamborghinis. You know, they're all stacked over here. Different colors, different spec, you know, whatever you could think of, they have it, you know, in some configuration. They even had some NSXs over there, you know, so it was a cool selection. I mean, I like the hypercars, the supercars as you call them. Hypercars would be, you know, the Bugattis and stuff like that, but you know, I'm all about anything car related, and of course classic Porsches. But yeah, they had, you know, they have some of what you see in LA and a little bit more. You know, I heard a lot of people don't really bring their cars out until closer to the winter time when the weather changes, because it's still pretty hot. And this day it was smoking. I mean, I was dripping sweat filming this stuff for you guys. No. You know, it's Ferrari Mondeo, nothing big, but you know, it's cool Ferrari, classic. You know, I had to get the RX-7 in there. You know, like I said, I like to pick things that are kind of eclectic, you know, things you don't see all the time. This Audi convertible was pretty sick, you know. I've seen a bunch of Audi R8s, but this one with the spec I thought was a really clean car that you guys would appreciate.
That's a camera?
Yeah, that's a gimbal. This is badass right here. He's got the classic everything going on, but it's got a crazy turbo setup. This car is pretty crazy. It's like a off-road sports car. Seems like I've seen this before, maybe at the LA Auto Show. It's pretty minimal inside. Does look like it has a stereo and an AC though. Monstrous. I'd push it. I ain't even lying. I'd push this all the way. So that's the Highline Cars and Coffee. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, they had a lot of cool cars out here, and they had some music playing, so I had to throw in some voiceover. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe, share the channel, and I will be dropping a lot more car videos over here, and also support Big Herc 916. I'm out.